I am Wong Huay.
I'm Weng.
We are from SMJK CHONG. Today we are going to do 4 experiments
About air. First experiment is about air pressure. First, we want to prepare water,
a glass and a plastic lid.
Okay. First, we take some water and then cover the cup with the plastic lid. Then we turn.
Ooh.
Then we let our hand.
The water will not spill out. This is the concept of air pressure. The water inside the cup is lighter than the air outside it. The plastic lid is held in place by 15 pounds of force from the air pushing up, while the force of the water pushing down is only 1 pound of force. So the second experiment is also about air pressure. We need a paper
And then a cup.
Now we need to fold the paper into a small piece so we can put it into the cup. The cup is dry and the paper is dry. Okay. Now we put the paper into the cup. Okay, the paper is perfectly fit into the cup, and then now we can start our experiment.
Okay.
Okay. First,
We put the cup into the water. And then we take out the cup and see what happened inside.
The paper is dry. So the paper is completely dry as before, although it's inside the water.
The air pressure inside the glass is strong enough to keep the water out and the tissue dry. Therefore, the tissue stays dry even when it's below the waterline.
So the next experiment is air pressure tool. So we prepare a bottle
And a piece of paper. Okay, first we need to tear the paper into a small piece. We roll it into a small piece of board. And now we put the bottle on the table. And then I'm going to put this small piece of paper here. Okay, so now try to blow the paper into the bottle. The paper just fell out and it will not go into the bottle.
This is because the mineral bottle inside has air.
Even though you can't see it, the bottle is full of air. When you try to blow something into it, there's just no room. Therefore, we cannot blow the paper into the bottle even we try very hard.
Now is the last experiment. So we need a ruler and a paper. First we need to take our ruler and
Long ruler.
a long ruler. So we take the ruler and we put it on the table like this. Next we put this paper on the ruler and we need to press all the air outside.
Cannot have air in the paper. Okay.
Okay, like this. The setup is ready.
And then
I'm going to chop this ruler with my hand. This is not going to happen, but we have to try it. So, bang! The ruler just broke into 2 pieces because of the paper.
When you spread out the paper on top of the ruler, you basically created a large suction cup because you're preventing air from flowing underneath. When you strike the ruler, it tries to lift up against the paper, but because the air can't flow very quickly into the space between the table and the newspaper, most of it simply pushes down on the paper. Therefore, we can break the ruler easily with only the paper.